Hi everyone! Today we're going to make spicy stir-fried potatoes. Potato in Chinese, 土豆, is a very versatile vegetable to me. I love it. I don't think I will never be tired of it. I also have a few recipes on my channel. Check it out. Anybody who doesn't like potatoes, raise your hand. And this is a very simple, delicious recipe. Let me show you the ingredients. I have 2 medium-sized potatoes. We need to cut into slices. Not too thin, it's about, I would say, a quarter of an inch. Soak the slices in the water. And I have half green bell pepper and red bell pepper and half red onion. You can use regular onion. And we just cut them into pieces like this. I also have 4 cloves garlic into slices. And to make it spicy, I have chili powder. You can also use the chili flakes. And first we're going to rinse off the potato slices and boil them. I pre-boiled the pot of water. It's boiling now. We're going to cook the potato about 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, say use a chopstick or fork, you can see we can poke through easily. I'm gonna strain the potatoes and we're ready to stir fry. Turn up the heat to high. Add some oil. You guys ask what kind of oil I'm using. This is a canola and the vegetable blend oil. It's cold as a pan, so it's not going to be sticky. And first we're going to saute the peppers and onions. Add a little bit of salt. And cook this about a few minutes to your own liking. If you want a crunchy, cook less. It will take a few minutes for them to become tender. After a few minutes, you can see the peppers, onions got nice color now. We add a little bit more oil. Don't we deserve some oil? We are eating vegetables, right? Add our garlic. Now we add potatoes. Just stir fry about a minute or 2 till we get some color on the potatoes. After about a minute or 2, we add salt and our chili powder. It's about a teaspoon. You can just your own liking. Smells so good. Color is beautiful, isn't it? Let me just have a quick taste. This piece smiling to me. Just a little bit of more salt. Our potatoes ready. Smells good. Let's eat, shall we? Do you like my big chopsticks, serving chopsticks? Onion, pepper, potato. Spicy, and the potato cooked perfectly, 3 minutes. It's not too soft, still have good texture. Just enough spiciness, but you can make them spicier. Bell pepper, sweet, crunchy. Onion. Actually, you need to eat them together. Piece of potato, piece of onion, and pepper. There we go. Don't jump. Delicious. Such a simple recipe and so good, so delicious. Please try to make it. And if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.